MIW's mission is to provide vocational training and employment services for individuals with disabilities, intellectual disabled individuals, mentally ill individuals, and developmentally disabled individuals. To be a part of our organizational employment program, which is funded, the person has to be at least 18 years old. The individual has to be able to complete their own personal care needs. They have to be able to self-medicate, be able to eat on their own. That's just to name a few. Training opportunities at MIW is production work. We have production floors and we have 4 different production areas. We may shrink wrap grease guns. We may shrink wrap light kits. We may label spark plugs. That's just to name different things that we may do. We also have a recycling department. MIW's Supported Employment Program is a new program for us. And what we do is we have an employment coordinator. She has a class, a 5-week class that she teaches about interviewing, about resumes, learn about yourself to help you find out what direction you want to go with for jobs. And then after that, the person is ready to go and start looking for jobs with the employment coordinator's help. We help them learn what skills they can develop so that they can take the next step out into the community.